Alright, today I'm taking a look at our dual charger for our 56 volt Ego batteries. Got this because I wanted to charge the batteries for my snowblower that I got this year that I love. Simple enough, you just plug it right into the wall. And then I do like how it has these handles here to easily carry. It is decently heavy, so especially with these that are on there, you're going to need two hands to carry it. I do feel that the charge time, I would say I do my driveway and then to do the rest of like my neighbors, I also do hers. I could probably charge it and it would take about 45 minutes to fully charge back up to use it again. So not too terribly long to get to full battery, but pretty simple to use. You can see right here it has different indicators if it is a defective battery, if it's over temperature, too high of a temperature charging, or if it's full, so it'll be blinking. If it's full, then done charging. And it is recommended not to leave these on the charge for quite some time. If they're fully charged, unplug it, take it out, or take it off, so that you can kind of save these batteries a little bit. But let's go ahead and put them on. So, whoops. You can see or hear actually that it turned on. So there's a little bit of sound that comes with it. Headed upstairs. My wife got pretty annoyed of the little sound there. Almost sounds like a fan that is going, but these are charging. As you can see, I had them charged already pretty much to the top. But if you look at the indicator light there, it says charging because it is blinking there, and you can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5 bars already charged up here, and same thing over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 4 out of the 5 over on this side. But you can leave these on the charge until it would no longer be blinking. Once it is done blinking, then I would take them off and unplug it from the wall. So I don't obviously keep these going for a week or anything at a time. Just make sure once you are done fully with the charge, take these off to save these batteries and I mean energy as well. Get your energy bill down a little bit. But really awesome product, simple to use. Definitely a necessity if you have Ego products. Like I said, it's for our 56 volt batteries that I use for our snowblower and maybe eventually lawnmower. I haven't really decided yet because I just love the Ego products. Have a weed whip that I use also, but definitely a necessity if you want to be charging 2 batteries at a time. So I love this product and hope you do too. Thanks.